Garden view, sun shining, birds chirping. Hey food lovers! Today, we're bringing the sea to the soil, cooking up fresh tuna right here in the garden. Look at this beauty. A thick cut of tuna, seasoned simply with salt, black pepper, garlic, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. Let's keep it rustic. Out here, we've set up a garden grill, nothing fancy, just flame, smoke, and flavor. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of happiness. Tuna cooks fast, just about 2 minutes per side for a perfect sear. We're keeping that center just a bit pink for that melt-in-your-mouth magic. While that cooks, we'll whip up a quick garden salad, greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a drizzle of lemon vinaigrette. And there it is, grilled tuna, kissed by smoke, served under the sky. Garden fresh, ocean bold. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Try this in your backyard and let the flavors roam free.